That's the brake pads. Thank you very much. You're doing a great job. Mr. Song, you want me to put you YouTube? I'll put you YouTube. People come to you. I tell people, you work. I'll put you on YouTube. You want me to put you there?
Yeah.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm at the mechanic, Mr. Son. He's a good man. He's been doing this job for 20 years. You have any car problem, come to him. He's in Gwinnett. If you come to Gwinnett Place Mall, drive after the Ship Hotel, he's the first one on the right. So come to him with all your problems. So presently he's changing the rotor and the brake pads on a 2015 Honda Sonata. His price is good. Changing the front rotor and the brake pad, he's charging $250. If you go to dealership, they charge you $500. So bring your car, depending on your car, the type of car. But on the Hyundai Sonata 2015, it costs $250. Dealership will charge you more. His name is Mr. Song. If you need any repair on your car, you come to him. Power Auto Repair and Body Shop. Like you see, the phone number is 770-476-2990. Mr. Song. It's next to the Ship Hotel on Gwinnett Drive. Heading to the Gwinnett Place Mall. That's the place.
Customer mall come here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so feel free and call him. You can make an appointment. He opens the shop from 8 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock in Gwinnett, Georgia.
It's good.